We'll guide you through how to register a domain on Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click on Domains. This will take you to the domain management page. Here, you should see an option that says Get a new domain. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the domain name you desire. Type it in and hit Search to see if it's available. Wix will show you a list of available options if your first choice isn't available, or you can go ahead with your chosen name if it is. Once you've found a domain you like, click Select next to it. You'll then be prompted to choose a registration period, usually from 1 year to several years. Pick the one that suits your needs best. After that, you'll need to add the domain to your cart. Proceed to checkout where you'll enter your payment details. Wix accepts various payment methods, so choose the one that works for you. Before you complete the purchase, Wix will offer additional services like privacy protection for your domain. It's a good idea to consider these options, as they can provide extra security and privacy. Once everything looks good, click Purchase to finalize the registration. You'll receive a confirmation email from Wix with all the details about your new domain. Now your domain is registered and ready to connect to your Wix site. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.